I'm going to take you through the proper form for a single leg deadlift. This is an awesome exercise for hitting posterior chain, so it's going to be a little bit of lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. And what I really like is that it isolates single legs one at a time, and it still allows you to works balance too. So what I want you to do is start by trying the movement with a little bit of support. So I have a bar set up. You can use a chair, wall, whatever's easy for you. So go ahead and face the bar or the chair. Keep your chest lifted and stand on one leg, pop the other one back just a touch, and have just a small bend in your knee. So you're going to step back a little bit away from it, and as you go down forward, your heel drives up. And I like you to keep a flexed foot. Some people will do a pointed toe. It's up to you. I feel it a little bit more when I flex my foot. And then you come back up. So to start, make sure you try this with a little support. One thing you'll find is that your hips start to move and shift as you're doing it. So if I'm on this side, as I'm leaning down, you kind of start to cheat and twist a little bit with that hip coming up. You want to really try to pull it down, which makes it back to your hamstring. It really hits at the back of that glute ham tie-in. So as you come up, so down and come up. As you start to feel more confident with that movement, you can take it away from the bar or from the wall. So chest is going to be lifted, and you're coming down. Small, slight bend in your knee, lifting back up. And down, and up. And if you really get pretty proficient with the single leg deadlift, you can go ahead and make it weighted. So grab some dumbbells. And this one, start here, chest is lifted. So as you're dropping down, you're letting the dumbbells slide down in front of you, and then you pull it back up and in. And you'll really feel this on that standing leg in particular. Feel your hamstring engaging.